Hello everyone, I'm Saleh Kalevani, and today we are going to discuss about the prevalent LPG gas crisis in India. So India is currently facing a LPG gas crisis which has affected the millions of households and businesses across the country. LPG or liquefied petroleum gas is the primary resources of cooking fuel, especially for the middle income groups. And in recent months, people have been experiencing delays in booking availability and delays in delivering the gas to their homes. So this basically has affected the consumption pattern and the daily necessity for cooking, and it has become a major concern in everyday life. So the main reason behind this crisis in India is its heavy dependence on its foreign imports, like from the um, foreign countries like west countries. So nearly 60 percentage of this India's LPG requirement is met from Middle East. In recent political and geographical tensions and conflicts, the Strait of Hormuz has been blocked and completely controlled by Iran, so which has slowed down the shipments and created a gap between supply and demand. In addition, logistic issues are there and shortage of tankers and port congestions. These factors have even worsened this. So another important factor contributing to this shortage is panic buying and hoarding. When people get to know the news about shortages, so they tend to store more of them to meet if any future unforeseen consequences happen. So what happens is that this demand accumulates and it appears to be worse than what actually it is. So, and moreover, this illegal practicing has also made it worse, like refilling without any authority, or selling it for higher prices, black marketing the cylinders. So this impact on LPG crisis is widespread. This has affected in various levels. In households levels for say, the daily cooking, the daily necessity has been affected, and families are forced to switch to traditional methods like firewoods or electric stoves, which is not convenient or not affordable or not available at this point. And for small businesses, even large businesses are affected, but for small businesses, they because of this demand, they either have to increase the price or to compromise on their profit margins. So at the end of the day, the price falls on the each and every consumer. And industries that rely on LPG as a fuel of source for their production, they also have been affected, especially FMCG industries, food industries. However, we have to, the government have to prioritize its supply for households over the industries, and the government has also taken many other steps. In short terms efforts are like sourcing from various other countries like United States or Russia. Medium term, they are prioritizing household over this industries, and in the long term we have to convert into a more diversified portfolio of buying, and also meet the demands domestically and convert into an alternative form of fuel. But these are practically kind of impossible because natural resources are not available in that much in our country, and converting to alternate fuel requires huge investment, huge cost and time. And these solutions are not easy to implement. So in conclusion, the LPG gas crisis in India is not just a temporary supply issue, but a reflection of deeper structural changes in the country's energy system, which they have to go through it and refine it. It highlights the risks of over dependence on imports, and the need for more diversified and resilient energy strategy. Ensuring energy security is essential not only for the economic stability but also for the well being of millions of citizens in our country. Addressing this issue will effectively require coordinated efforts from government, people, consumer, industry side, whomsoever involved in it. Thank you.